Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to make strawberry Pop-Tarts. Pour the sugar into the bowl with strawberries. Then we're going to mix it up. Let it sit for 15 minutes. So now we're going to use a box pie crust as a template to cut our dough. So now we have our strawberries. Now we're going to microwave them until shiny and reduce about 10 minutes. Let cool for 30 minutes. So as you see, our strawberries has cooked down. We're going to let it cool for 30 minutes. So now our strawberries has cooled. We're going to take a piece of dough. And we're going to pour a little bit of strawberries inside, making sure it doesn't go on the edge. Now we're going to put water and to seal it around. Take the same matching piece of the dough and we're going to put it on top. The water helps it seal for it sticks together. Now we're going to add details, like cool details, with a fork. So now all of our Pop-Tarts are ready. We sprayed it with this. We're going to put it in a 350 degrees air fryer, and we're going to wait for 10 minutes. Check back when it's done. So now we're waiting for our Pop-Tarts to cook. We're going to make the icing. So we're going to pour lemon juice, and powdered sugar. Then now we're going to stir it up. So now this is the consistency we're looking for. So now our Pop-Tarts are done. We're going to put them on the cooling rack over there on the island. So now we're going to use the spatula to put our Pop-Tarts on the cooling tray. So now that our Pop-Tarts has cooled, we're going to glaze it on with some icing. Make sure it doesn't get too close to the edge or the icing can fall off. Then when you're done putting on the icing, you can put on some sprinkles if you want. So now we have all of our Pop-Tarts done. We glazed them. It's time to try it. See you guys next time. Bye.